So apparently it keeps raining packages at my house, because yesterday we had the max speeding rods and now we have the Trotec package, which I need to open up real quick. See what's inside. Oh boy. Need to be careful. There we go. Open this bad boy up because I'm so excited. Alright, let's see what's inside here. Let's see what's inside. Oh, here we go. So this is actually the drilling machine that I needed for my car, which has specific plugs on it, which I can remove my wheels with pretty quickly and put them back, because it's such a hassle for me. And my condition doesn't help me out that well, even though it's fairly simple to do at the track. But everybody around me has electric tools, and I'm always the one who is like fumbling around with the nuts of the wheels, stuff like that. So this is going to be really cool. So let's see what's inside real quick. Again, this is completely sponsored by Trotec. You can check them out right there, Trotec. And we can see right here, function with high torque and impact force, counterclockwise rotation, 5 torque settings, 100, 150, 200, 300, and 400 Newton meters. Belt clip, battery in there with a quick charger, which charges the battery in 90 minutes, which is 1 hour and a half. And then of course on this side we have the robust die-cast aluminum gear housing, external, I don't know how do you pronounce that, half square retainer, infinitely variable speed control with quick lock, integrated LED work lamp, so whenever it gets dark I even have a light to help me out, and it has the battery level indication with 3-stage. So that's really sick. This thing looks amazing. Anyway, let's go. Let's see what's in the box right here. Need to turn my camera a little bit. There we go. That's better. So this is the manual. And this is the model number. So if you guys want to check this one out, it has German and English writing, which is good. And yeah, this is the beast right here. We got our own charger, which is great, because I have other drills as well that kind of work the same way. Then of course here we have the drill itself, and it's pretty heavy. That's what you would expect from good craftsmanship, especially regarding the motor. It has to be heavy, because if it's not, it's probably going to be pretty cheap thing. And the battery, holy crap, it's pretty thick. I have a Parkside drill as well, which has like half of this battery. So as far as I know, this one is like way stronger. So it has full battery capacity, and it's on 100 now. Let's see. Oh, there's a button right here. So it's on 100. Don't know if you guys can see that. Let me zoom in with the camera. It's probably going to be difficult to see on the camera right now. Yeah. It's 400 actually. Counterclockwise. You can even see the sparks. See? Right here. Man, I think this thing is really powerful. Alright, so there is a little, kind of like a little feedback button right here. And I have to be precise in pressing it, which is good, because that's kind of like a security function. So now it's on 200, now it's on 150, now it's on 100, and now it's back on 400 again. Man, this is some nice stuff. This is going to go with me standards to the track right now, because this is going to be great. And to top it off, they have this this buckle, which I can put on the side. I'm not going to do that right now, because I'm probably not going to put it on my belt, because, well, why should I? I will always transport it into this this little bag right here, suitcase. But yeah, we got 17 millimeters right here. we've got 19 millimeters right here. And then we have 21. And this is going to be 23. So yeah, that's it. It looks, these feel heavy as well. I've had the other brand in my hand, and they don't come on and go off as nice. You can even put a pin through here to make sure it's on there, which is good. But yeah, it really feels very sturdy. Man, I am happy as can be right now. I got my coils ready. I'm gonna actually use this tool as well to get like the bolts on my car that are like on it. You know, like the annoying bolts that always get stuck and stuff like that. I might use this actually to get it loose, because this is gonna be the best. Man, like I said, I'm really happy. And it looks amazing. Battery indicator and everything, light, and the way to choose your Newton meters. And you have your own dedicated charger right there. So I want to give a big thanks and a big shout out to Trotec. Thank you so much for sponsoring me with this. I'm going to be very happy when I get my wheels off at the track, and even at home, because I still have to fix my my damage on the car, of course, which the side is pretty much done. So I hope I'm gonna be back at the track real quick, and I can't wait to use this, make some pictures, make some videos, and be my own pit crew, actually, thanks to Trotec. So thanks again, see you guys in the next video, and keep watching me, like and subscribe, and have a good one. Thanks again. Dankeschön.